Hey guys, Rio here with Email Processing System. So what I wanted to go over in this video was how to not promote your business. I'm not even specifically talking about email processing system, just how to, whatever business opportunity you may be in, how to not do it. For some reason, a lot of people, I don't know if they're being taught or what is going on, but a lot of people spam. A lot of people spam their business opportunity. They just spam a link. They just send a link, and that is not a good way to build a business. That's a good way to get blocked and reported for spamming. So you don't wanna do that. Um, and I'm gonna show you some examples of what that is, what not to do. But the only way to truly build a business is to build relationships, to build a brand, to give value to your followers. That's the only way that you're really going to be able to build a business and be successful long term. So not just, make a quick buck here and there, but be successful long term by building a brand. And of course, like I mentioned, the way to build a brand is by helping people and by caring about people, by truly caring about people, not just, wanting to make money off of them. So let's go ahead and go over here to my Facebook, right here. So this is one of the many make money online groups, network marketing, internet, MLM, whatever you wanna whatever you wanna call it. Which there are differences, but for the sake of this video, we're talking about this specific group. This person right here, Andy Owen, made a post here. When you ask who the best MLM is, leave your post and go back to it 2 hours later. Then look for the people who were not giving you links but wanted to engage. They are the people to work with, which he made a great point right there. When I saw this post, I thought he made a great point, which I actually even commented on the video, on the post, I mean. But if we go down, so basically what he's saying is when you make a post about, maybe you're new to online marketing and you're looking to get started, you go on a network marketing group and you say, what opportunities are there? Can you give me a quick little description of what your opportunity is or whatever? He means that a lot of people don't try to engage, don't try to build a relationship. They just boom, they just send a link, and that's not really, that isn't a good way to engage with someone, because that just means like they just want you to buy. They don't want to create a relationship with you. They don't want to get to know you. They just want you to buy what they're selling, and that's it. So let's go ahead and a lot of people, agreed with him. Amen to that. People need to realize people buy from people. Yeah, of course. Build true story, build relationships, and grow with your team, of course. But some people just decide to, like this person right here, turn your computer into a 24 by 7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week money generator, 100% autopilot, 100% free. So basically he's just pitching, and this is a referral link right here. So he's not trying to build a relationship, he's trying to make a sale. The thing is, the writer of this post has no idea who this person is. He hasn't built a relationship. He's not gonna buy from him. I'm sure if you're seeing this video, you're thinking that, this person is not gonna make a sale. This person is not trying to make a relationship. So that's the thing. And let's see what, oh dear, caught another one. Yeah. So these people are completely missing the point of the post, because he's talking about people who do this exact same thing. What Chris Lawrence just did. That's exactly what you're not supposed to do. So that's not. And then look, he doesn't have a picture of himself to show that he's a real person. That's another very important thing if you're gonna do Facebook marketing. People need to see who you are. People need to feel that they can go to you for questions, to feel that they know you. So you need to, that's a part of building your brand. You need to be available to them. You need to show who you are, so people can be comfortable with buying something from you. And that doesn't have to be, like I mentioned, this EPS. It can be anything, any product. This is my comment over here, actually. Very true. I enjoyed reading this post. And here we go, mostly done for you business while you're having fun. So another link, let's see. Go back and read the initial post, shall we? Yeah, so a lot of people missing the point here. Another link, another link, another link, another links here. And they're not even commenting here. They're just like just straight up just a link with no comments. That's not gonna work for you. That is not gonna work. Just sending out links to people who aren't asking for them, or it just doesn't work. I'm sure it's obvious that this doesn't work. If I were someone looking to join a business and they just send me a link, but there's no explanation, I haven't met the person, I don't know anything about the person, I don't know how long they've been with the business, I don't know how long the business has actually been around. You don't know anything, you're going into this without knowing any information. And some person is just sending you a link and expecting you to buy, to give money, to pay for whatever they're selling without having no information about it. That doesn't work. That is not going to work. That's why I mentioned earlier, you got to build a brand, you got to build a relationship. That's how online sales work. That's how affiliate marketing works. That's how making money online works. That's how it's supposed to be done. So that's pretty much what I wanted to go over in this video. It's just a quick little video. I just quickly wanted to show you. Oh, you know what? I'll go over something too. Like I mentioned, over something else too. Like I mentioned, spamming doesn't work. Let me show you guys some of my messages over here. Message requests from people who I don't know, who just messaged me out of the blue. Let me move my head here. Who just messaged me. So I've never met this person. Rio, can I share opportunity of a lifetime with you? We launched 11. Oh no, you know what? This isn't that bad. He's kind of asking, can I share an opportunity with you? So he didn't send me a link, just straight. But some people do. Let me see if I have one over here. I haven't even really looked at these. Let's see. Okay, so here's someone else. Like I mentioned, these are message requests. I don't know these people. But they're just sending a link and expecting me to click on it and buy something from them when there's no relationship that was built. I don't know who this person is. That doesn't work. That's not gonna work. At least if I put myself, I am in the shoes of being sold to right here in this situation. So yeah, that doesn't work for me. I have no idea who this person is, who is trying to sell me something. I don't trust them, I don't know them, so there's no way I'm gonna click on a link and buy something from this person if I don't know them. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give you a few examples on how not to promote your business, and the way to actually promote it is to build a brand, to put in work, to help people, to offer value, which I will make more videos about later on. But I just wanted to go over what not to do, because I see so many people, and this is going to keep happening. I don't know why people think that's the way to go, but it's not the way to go. It's not the way to do it. If you want to learn how to actually do it correctly, how to build a brand for yourself, how to build relationships, our program, we have a training that it's basically a blueprint, so you can actionable steps every single day. Steps that you can do every day, so you can build your brand, so you can start being successful online, so you can start making sales, so you can be successful online, and learn how to actually do it correctly so you can have long-term success. Of course, I'm a part of Email Processing System. That's who we have our training with. I actually have 2 different trainings available for you. We have a Facebook proof group if you guys want to see some proof. But yeah, if you guys want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos where I actually go over what the email processing system is. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned a little something at least. It's a short video, so just wanted to give out some value here today. So if you guys I don't know if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, but if you do, I'll probably put the YouTube link if you're watching on Facebook. So you can go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, because I'll be doing more videos like this, trying to offer some value to people. But anyway, yeah, there's going to be, if you're on my YouTube channel, there's going to be my Facebook link down here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in the opportunity, click the link, check out my other videos, whatever you want to do, it's fine by me. And that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.